they should be taken care of. To any case, to any child, parent, they should treat them as their own.
In a position meant to protect and care for an already vulnerable child, defendant Ryan Joshua Cruz now stands accused of allegedly sexually abusing his foster child multiple times since being placed in his care this past February. The foster child removed since the case surfaced last week, but it's not the first or even second time his name appeared in court records in recent years. So how did government workers miss it? Even a quick search online, 2018 reports show Cruz was arrested on criminal sexual conduct charges. In November of last year, Cruz arrested again for allegedly molesting a young boy known to him. How he was still able to get approval?
Very disconcerting that this has occurred.
Guam Attorney General Doug Moylan says a civil and criminal investigation is underway.
Investigating this matter, finding out from public health what are the procedures in which these foster parents are being vetted and retained by the taxpayers to be foster parents.
Department of Public Health and Social Services Director Art San Augustine declined comment, the local health agency remaining silent, citing the ongoing investigation.
Island. And when the government is putting kids that are in need in contact with people with a background that apparently is coming out with this case, we need to find out why it happened, stop it, and address it.
The AG's office will take action once they figure out what went wrong. Meanwhile, Guam Coalition Against Sexual Assault and Family Violence Executive Director Cynthia Cabot says while it's difficult to pinpoint who's to blame,
for this individual to be able to go through the screening, that also tells you that sometimes perpetrators are too smart for our system.
She says these situations should not be taken lightly.
We want to think, this is such a difficult situation, a difficult conversation to have, but oftentimes I think we need to not to make light of the situation, but to address it in smaller pieces so it is better managed and better able to deal with.
Cruz has since been released on a $50,000 bond. Prosecutors have until April 3rd to bring his case before a grand jury for a possible indictment. Matsuki Hariyama, KUAM News.